So today we're going to use the Mastros Chrome extension to download bulk media from WhatsApp. So you will just download it from the URL added in the description. Is this one. So let's open a chat. You will see the chat loaded from the extension here, and you pick the format. What you will say here, I want, let's say, check the last 20 recent messages and get all these documents for me. And it will just start downloading them for you and put them in a zip. So in the end, we just got all of these zip files, and you can see as well, you can download the CSV or the let's say the zip. So in the zip, you will have the videos, the audios, as you can see here, the photos, and all of that. Hope this was useful. Thank you.